Hey there, what's up? I hope you're doing really good. In this video, we're going to be doing the fast charging battery test. So it's going to be a little bit different. It's not going to be a drain test. We have all these phones at 0% battery, and we're going to connect them to their fast chargers and see which one makes it to 100% first. Let's go. So I have a couple of the top smartphones of 2019 here. These are all fast charging capable smartphones. We have the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, the S10 Plus, the OnePlus 7 Pro, OnePlus 7T, Google Pixel 4 XL, and iPhone 11 Pro Max. We're going to be putting them all to a test to see which one makes it from 0% to 100% battery first. Alright, so before we continue with the video, let's go over the battery sizes on each of these devices. So the iPhone 11 Pro Max has a 3969 lithium ion battery, and it is 18 watt fast charging capable. The Google Pixel 4 XL has a 3700 mAh LiPo battery, and it is also fast charging capable up to 18 watts. The OnePlus 7T has a 3800 mAh lithium ion battery, and it is fast charging capable up to 30 watts, and it's called Warp Charge. The OnePlus 7 Pro is also a fast charging capable up to 30 watts, the Warp Charge, but the battery is bigger, 4000 mAh, so it may take a little bit longer to make it to the 100% compared to the OnePlus 7T. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus has a 4100 mAh lithium-ion battery, and it is fast charging capable up to 15 watts. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus, on the other hand, has the biggest battery, 4300 mAh lithium-ion battery, and it is also fast charging capable of up to 45 watts. Alright, so there we have all the battery sizes and their fast charging capabilities. So let's get on with the video now. Here we have all of the devices, all 6 phones. We have the Note 10 Plus, the Galaxy S10 Plus, OnePlus 7 Pro, OnePlus 7T, the Google Pixel 4, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So we have all the phones here. All of their batteries are dead. All of these phones are fast charging capable phones. So we're going to be connecting all of them and charging them from 0 to 100%, and we're going to be seeing which one charges up the fastest. I'm going to set up a timer here. Here we have all of the cables. All right, so let's begin and let's connect them all. We're going to start over here from right to left. Alright, so let's leave them there and we'll start checking them when they get to 100%. So the OnePlus 7 Pro powering on first, or actually no, it's just showing that it's at 0% battery. So let's wait and see which one gets to 100% battery first, and then we'll continue timing the rest of them. Alright, so it is almost the 30-minute mark. So let's see how these phones are doing. So here we have the Note 10 Plus at 66%, the Galaxy S10 Plus 41%, the OnePlus 7 Pro is at 54%, OnePlus 7T 58%, a little bit higher there, the Google Pixel 4 XL 40%, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max is at 41%. So let's continue and see which one is the first one to power on, although it looks like it's going to be the Note 10 Plus, but we'll see with the timer. Let's go ahead and power all of the phones on. Alright, so let's see, we are at 1 hour and 3 minutes. The OnePlus 7T is at 99%, I believe. Yes, it is right there. Let's check the rest of the devices out. So the OnePlus 7 Pro is at 92%. The Galaxy S10 Plus is at 74%. The Note 10 Plus is at 79%. The Google Pixel 4 XL is at 72%. And the iPhone 11 Pro Max is at 81%. So there you go. Let's go ahead and lap it. The OnePlus 7T is the first phone to get to 100%, 1 hour and 4 minutes, and that is because it has fast charging and also has a 3700 mAh battery, which is one of the lowest out of all of these devices. All right, so let's go ahead and remove the OnePlus 7T since it was the winner. Let's go ahead and turn it around and leave it facing down. So let's give them all a few more minutes and see which one is the next one to reach 100%. All right, so the OnePlus 7 Pro, let's lap it. It just got to 100% as well. And as you can see, it is at 100%. All right, so we still have 4 more phones that are still not at 100%. So let's see which one is the next one to make it. Let's go over the battery percentages very quickly. The Note 10 Plus is at 84%. The Galaxy S10 Plus is at 89%, surprisingly. The Google Pixel 4 XL is at 86%. And the iPhone 11 Pro Max is at 90%. So the iPhone 11 Pro Max is ahead with the Galaxy S10 Plus right behind it. So let's continue and see which one is the next one to make it to 100%. All right, so it is 1 hour, 37 minutes, and the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is at 99%. So it's going to be the next one to make it to 100%. So let's go ahead and check all the battery percentages on all of the other devices. So the Note 10 Plus is at 90%. We have the Google Pixel 4 XL at 95%, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max is at 95% as well. And there you go, 1 hour and 40 minutes. Let's go ahead and lap it. And the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is the third one to make it to 100%. So there you go. We can go ahead and flip this one over. So we have 3 phones left: Note 10 Plus, Google Pixel 4 XL, and iPhone 11 Pro Max. Let's go ahead and turn their screens off and wait a few more minutes to see which is the next device to make it to 100%. All right, so let's go ahead and check the timer here. So 1 hour, 52 minutes. Let's go ahead and check all the devices. So the Note 10 Plus is almost at 100%. It's at 99%. The Google Pixel 4 XL is at 98%. And the iPhone 11 Pro Max is at 96%. Note 10 Plus ahead here. Should be the next one to get to 100%. And then these two will battle it out at the end. $97, $98, 99%, 1 hour, 53 minutes. All right, there we go. The Note 10 Plus is at 100%. Let's go ahead and lap it. 1 hour and 55 minutes. So now we're just battling it out with the Google Pixel 4 XL at 98% and the iPhone 11 Pro Max at 97%. So let's check the timer. Just a few minutes later, 1 hour, 59 minutes. Let's see what's going on. So the Google Pixel 4 XL is at 99% and the iPhone right behind it at 97%. Looks like we're going to have the second to last place here, the Google Pixel 4 XL. Let's see how much longer it takes. All right, so let's check the timer here. 2 hours and 4 minutes, and the Google Pixel 4 XL has made it to 100%. As you can see, 100%. So the Google Pixel 4 XL is done. And the final phone is the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and it's still at 97%. So let's see how much longer it takes. All right, so we are at 2 hours, 25 minutes. Let's stop it because the iPhone 11 Pro Max just made it to 100%. So the last phone to make it to 100%, the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So there we have all of the devices, the winner being the OnePlus 7T. All right, so there you have it, the fast charging test. As you can see, the OnePlus 7T won because of its fast warp charge up to 30 watts, and it does have a smaller battery than the OnePlus 7 Pro, which also has fast warp charge at 30 watts. So here we have the winner, the OnePlus 7T. That is all for this video. Go ahead and give it a like if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And as always, peace. Ciao.